Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. So in today's video I will be making the spaghetti bolognese. I do hope you guys enjoy this video. Now let's cook. So guys, let's break down the ingredients. There we have some sunflower oil. I also have marinara, Maggi all-purpose season, ketchup, and Parmesan cheese. I also have my lean ground beef, also my spaghetti, my season. We have chili right there. On the other side, we have some Italian season, garlic powder, and onion powder. So guys, to cook the spaghetti, I have salted water here. I'm just going to let that boil. Then I will be adding my spaghetti. So now that the water has started to boil, I'm going to add the spaghetti. And you want to cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes, or you can just follow the package instruction. And you're going to cook this until it's al dente. So now guys, you want to turn your spaghetti, just making sure that it doesn't stick. Or you guys can just go ahead and add oil to it. I will be adding oil, just so it doesn't stick. So guys, when I'm cooking my spaghetti, I always like to add some form of herb, whether it be Italian season or oregano. I just like the flavor. It also gives it a nice presentation when you're plating your dish. So guys, our pasta is finally cooked, so I'm just gonna remove it from the heat. Now I'm gonna work on my meat sauce. So in a saucepan, I'm gonna be adding some sunflower oil. Just wait on that to heat for about a minute or so. Now I'm gonna be adding my onions, and you want to cook that until they are soft, and that's gonna be about 2 minutes or so until it's fragrant. Now you want to add your chopped garlic, and you're just going to continue stirring that. So now guys, I'm adding the Italian season to my onion and garlic mix just to enhance the flavor. So guys, I went ahead and I added the ground beef. Now I'm going to be cooking this for about 7 minutes until it's brown. And you want to stir this often, just making sure that you're breaking up any large chunks of meat with a wooden spoon. I'm using a wooden spoon. You guys can even use a whisk or any spoon, whatever you guys have. So guys, now is the time to add your wine. If you want to go ahead and add wine to your meat sauce, I will not be adding wine, so yeah, I'm just skipping that. Now I'm adding the Maggi all-purpose season, just for flavor, as I said, because you don't want your meat sauce to be bland, honey. Just go ahead and add your season to it. Now I will be adding the rest of my season, the chili powder, the onion powder, the garlic powder, and the Italian season that I told you guys about. And just go ahead and mix that. Now guys, I'm adding the marinara sauce. If you guys have Worcestershire sauce or beef stock, you guys can go ahead and add that. I also went ahead and I add about a tablespoon of brown sugar just to cut the acidity from the marinara sauce. So guys, I add some water to that marinara jar. Now I'll also be adding some ketchup, and you're just going to continue stirring that for another 5 minutes until it's been reduced. Now guys, look how rich this meat sauce is. It was so good. Oh my goodness. My only regret was not adding the wine to it, like really, because it would have really bring out the flavor in this. If you guys have wine, go ahead and add your wine to this, honey. Just go ahead and do it, okay? Just go ahead and do it. So guys, I'm spooning the sauce on top of my spaghetti, and I'm going to be sprinkling some Parmesan cheese on top and also some dried parsley, and that practically sums up the end of the video, guys. I love you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Go ahead and follow me on my Instagram at Alice's_kitchen. Don't forget to like this video, guys, comment and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.